The history of our school was built pretty differently from other schools. A long time ago, our school was an orphanage, then was supposed to be a hotel, and it became our school, Vanguard. Since the school was supposed to be a hotel, it has a lot of stairs, 3 sets of that go up to the sixth floor, 6 floors. Uh, but we don't need to use them often because the teachers come to us, our class.
Another thing that sets us apart from most other schools is that all the students are neurodiverse, which means we all have learning disabilities. And to help us, we have computers. Unlike most other schools, we have 4 schools in one. We have an English elementary, a French elementary, a French high school, and us, the English school. We go from grade 7 to 11 in high school, and we have 15 students in each class.
We are in a weird area. That means that we have to take many different modes of transportation in order to get to school. For example, we take buses, metros, and many more. When there's construction happening on the highway or roads, it causes us to take long detours, which prolongs our time to get to our whereabouts. All the construction and detours cause us to have a lot of traffic. You can use these different modes of transportation to get to different tourist attractions.
There are a lot of famous places for tourists to visit in Montreal. La Ronde is one of the most visited places in Montreal. It is a theme park with roller coasters and games. Another place to go in Montreal is the Olympic Stadium. There are Olympic pools, gyms, and there's a tower with a viewpoint to see our beautiful city. The Old Port is where you can find a lot of our city's history and tasty restaurants. Downtown has many shopping centers and our underground city. The underground city is where you can find hotels, restaurants, malls, and arenas, all connected together underground without having to go outside. We especially love it in the freezing cold winter time. If you are a sports or concert fan, come and visit the Bell Center. Warning, don't come to the Bell Center if you don't like a lot of noise. In Montreal, we have a professional hockey team. The name of the team is the Montreal Canadiens, aka the Habs. They play in our famous arena, the Bell Center. They may all be in the city, but we also have beautiful spots in nature to enjoy.
There are many gardens, parks, and bodies of water where we can take pictures, enjoy the scenery, and do fun activities. In Montreal, you can find different kinds of dog parks, play parks, and nature parks.
Many people come to visit many cultural gardens, like the botanical garden, that have many different types of gardens inside. We are surrounded by many bodies of water, like the St. Lawrence River, which is a part of our history.
We also have many lakes with beaches. All around Montreal, there are farms and fields and orchards filled with corn and apple trees. After doing all of the fun activities in nature, you can go and check out our popular tasty treats.
Montreal is known for having their most delicious food. There's a lot of food in Montreal. We have many unique cultural restaurants. One of them is the Orange Julep. They serve creamy orange juice and the restaurant is shaped like a giant orange. You can't miss it. There is also a restaurant called La Belle Province. They serve poutines. That's one of the main ones. People also make it homemade. How to make poutines? First, you get the potatoes. Second, you chop them up. Next, you have to fry the potatoes. Then the amazing squeaky cheese goes on the potatoes. And lastly, you have to add gravy. Finally, you can have and get to eat. Montreal also has a great dessert like crepes and beaver tails. Crepes is like pancakes but a bit different. They are thinner and we can eat it with Nutella and strawberries. Don't worry, beaver tails are not actually beaver, they are a fried dough treat. Enjoy.